10 DH20. Got to watch that. I think the level difference between Nina and Yora is a little concerning through the door. I'd want Nina to stay up a little more and Yora to try and stay down. Yeah, it's not a big deal because the back pair doesn't mind having a bit of extra vertical on the back of that block anyway. 20s look pretty good. There's just a difference in the way that Nina and Otto start the 20 move. Like Nina gets going, her hip going kind of straight away with Yora. And we've been working on having outside center, just kind of allowing Yora through and then with the hip. It just makes it more challenging on Otto when that happens. When the knee comes straight at the solo flyer, the point flyer there, you almost need to change your move. You almost need to think about going sideways or out of the way rather than up and over the way we've been doing it. So I wouldn't change too much, Otto, because I think between you and Nadja, you guys have that pretty good now. I'll talk about it when we come to the other one. Right, the block 10, I think, Matthew, I'm going to ask you, do you feel like Yora can help you at this point? Let him know if you think he can. If he is already helping you enough and it feels like you have not a lot of pressure on your right arm and that the rotation is continuing by Yora pressing backwards at this point, then great, leave it as it is. And it's just a question because it looks pretty good. It looks like you guys are working well together, you're keeping the piece tight, and it's my only question is, do you need, Matthew, do you need Yora to press a little bit back, obviously only at this point here, and it would be a tiny backward squeeze there. And if not, if you feel like it's light and that you guys are just cruising that, then that's fine and you've got a lot more power left in you. But if you are looking for power to help you guys around, that would be the place to add it. The 10 on the front, again, slightly different technique with the point slot. So Otto, this is really good here. You kind of just do your out here, wait for Nina, and then you move to your slot on the close. But whereas when Nina does that, she has sorry, let's go next one. Yeah, this one here. When Nina does it, she does a lot more movement on the point. Can you see that? And it doesn't really give you a chance to work on that getting sideways with the point as she opens up. So right now Nina's moving, and unless you're super on it, you end up with that side body target again. You see that rather than the side by side. But that's why we asked Nadja just to kind of be a little patient to let you get alongside and then make the move to the close. Okay, so yeah, I mean, the 20 piece is going really good like that, but the subtle difference is that it changes the points move. Like watch here on the 20, because Otto, you kind of let Yora start his move, and now your hip is going now with him, so that just gives Nina that extra little bit of time. But maybe the way those guys do it is a little bit less vertical, but it's not a big deal, guys. Just a couple of tiny differences I noticed on the front of the 10 and the 20. That's another good view to see it on here. As you can see, as Otto keys it, he's already getting knees underneath him, which is cool, but you would just change your trajectory slightly to be more to the side. Matthew's looking really good on the back with the shape of the 20s. Seems to be a learned thing now. Good catches. Let's just watch that one again. It's really nice to see it from these angles. Yeah. Yeah, really nice, Matthew. You can start to spin faster if you want and just stay in place here. That'll get you on that grip a little sooner. But it's good, man. No, it's all good.